Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you guys how to see. So before we get to the main move, I want to show you the basic way of what you do. So you start with both your feet together like this, and what you do is you're pointing your left foot out and your right foot is going in like this. So your left foot out, right foot inwards, and then you come back to the normal position and you do it the opposite way. So your right foot is now out and your left foot is in. So all you're doing to simply start off with is going like this. Left foot out, right foot in. Right foot out, left foot in. Left foot out, right foot in. So all you got to do is practice that and keep doing it. Like this. So the next step after that, when your right foot goes in, your left foot goes out, but this time, your heel on your left foot, your heel is touching the ground and the top part of your foot is going up. Whichever foot is pointing outwards, your heel should be touching the ground and the top part of your foot is staying high up like this. Then you would turn back to the normal position. And this time you go the opposite way, so you do it with your right foot, and your left foot obviously goes inwards like this. So now you see that, your right foot, the top part is up and the heel is at the bottom. So that's all you got to do. So to start off with, trying this as a practice, and then afterwards, bring the heel up. So as you take your time and practice, simply just going like this.
My cock very hard. School was very hard. Bitch, I'm very hard. Take it very hard. Take it fairly up. Chop, chop, chop up with a